Hello guys, my name is Lobone Lekgoe and we are going to be doing the sigma notation today, where I'm going to show you how to find m in this equation. So we're going to start by substituting 1 where we see k and continue like that to have at least the first three terms. So our first term is going to be 66 I'm sorry, and then our second term is going to be 66m squared. Our third term is going to be 66m cubed. So on the other hand, on the right hand side, we have to also find the first three terms, which I'm going to write just below here. So the first term we're going to substitute 3 where we see p and then continue like that going forward. So our first term is going to be like -1, second term 0, third term 1, then the fourth term is 2. So we have to find the difference between the first difference of this pattern of this sequence here. So it's going to be 0 minus -1 is going to be 1, and then here 1 minus 0 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1, which means this is our arithmetic sequence. So we have to find the sum of this sequence, which is going to be Sn equals to n over 2 bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 d close bracket. So our n value, we're going to find it by saying the top number minus the bottom number plus 1, which is going to be 11 over 2, open bracket 2. A is our first term where we have -1 plus n is 11 minus 1, and our difference is 1, close bracket. And then gonna first calculate what is inside the brackets so that we don't get confused, and then we get 8 there, and our final answer is 44. So we're gonna go back to the top one and firstly we have to find the ratio here, because we can see this is our sigma notation to infinity, which means it's geometric sequence. So our r is going to be 66m squared over 66m, because when we're dealing with geometric we have to divide. So we're going to divide, and 66 is going to divide our 66, and then because here it's going to be to the power 1, we have to, then it means we are going to be left out with only m. So going forward, because we have our r and then we have our sum, the sum that we found at the top there is going to be equal to the sum to infinity. So sum to infinity is going to be, I'm going to use our formula. It's on the formula sheet, a1 minus r, and then our sum to infinity here is 44 equals to the first term we have 66m over, and then 1 minus m, which is our r, and then we're going to cross multiply, because here it's over 1. So you're going to cross multiply. We're going to get 44 minus 44m equals to 66m. So we're going to have to group the like terms, and then we leave 44 here and take 44m to the side, which means it's going to be 66m plus 44m. So 44 equals to, when we add this up, is going to give us 110m, and then in order to be able to find m, we're going to have to divide by 110 both sides, where we're going to have m as 2 over 5.